Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we are in Ocho Rios. It's not a new development or construction, but we're checking out some of the places of fun, places of recreation in Ocho Rios. And it's a drone video as well, so stay tuned. Behind me is the first place we're gonna fly our drone, and then I'm gonna go through the second place. So I've done a walking tour of these facilities already. So I'll put the link for the walkthrough that I've done in the past, but I've not really done a drone video of the area. So it's really a drone video showcasing from above, so stay tuned. So this is the first place we're gonna look at, the Ocho Rios fishing village. This place was really run down in the past, but they did a lot of work on it, and it's really nice right now. It's very presentable to anyone, to Jamaicans, locals, tourists. A lot of persons saying that they can do something similar to like the Raytown fishing village as well, but we're gonna fly our drone as low as we can. So a lot of restaurants are here, a lot of fish, mainly fish restaurants. You have Popular and Dave Lobster and Whalers, and you also have a beach area as well. And then beside them is the other facility we're gonna check out. So I won't do a lot of talking, I'll do more flying of the drone. So you guys just stay tuned so you can see some drone videos, some drone views. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. A lot of persons watch the videos and don't subscribe. Subscribing is free and it's the cheapest way to support the channel. So location 1, drone video, drone views. I know what we do already. I like Jamaica, we big up Jamaica. Anywhere nice, anything that is uplifting the country, we're gonna show it. So let's go next door and give you a quick view of the other location. Alright, so this is the second location, Island Village. Shop, eat, play, explore, right in the center of Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, one of the major tourist destinations in Jamaica. So Island Village, again I'll put the link for the walking tour of Island Village in the comments. So if you guys wanna, see a walking video showing the shops and the different areas, you guys can get to see that. But this is really a drone video, so I'll fly my drone as close as possible. One of the main attraction by Island Village as well is Margaritaville. So they offer food, restaurant and water sports, and they have a little beach area as well. So it's a pretty nice place to take your family to come and relax outside of Kingston, or if you're on vacation. So Island Village and the Ocho Rios fishing village. So those are the two areas we are showcasing today. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone video. Again, I'll try to show as much as I can. I'll try to fly low and I'll try zoom. So I'm gonna give you guys a entire aerial tour of this area. So Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, always something new on the channel. Don't have to be new development. It can be places of recreation, places you can go chillax. Not only the tourists should enjoy Jamaica, but we need to enjoy Jamaica as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned.